Scientists have compared images and footage of Antarctica's ice sheets from 1910 to 2020, revealing that nearly 30% of the ice has melted in just over a century. In addition, research shows that global temperatures have risen by about 1.5 degrees Celsius, with more than 90% of the world's glaciers retreating. Studies on human cognition have also uncovered a gradual decline in average IQ levels over the past few decades. Scientists have seen that human IQ has dropped by the factor of 3, which is alarming. What do all of these observations point out? What changes can we expect in the next 1,000 years? Welcome to Ecoverse. In recent years, extreme weather patterns have become more frequent and intense, signaling dramatic changes in our planet's climate. South Asian nations like India and Pakistan have faced devastating monsoons, causing massive flooding and displacing millions. At the same time, unexpected rainfall in arid regions, such as Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates, has transformed deserts into temporary lakes, challenging the natural balance of these environments. Scientists predict that if these trends persist, Earth could undergo astonishing transformations in the next 1,000 years. One of the most alarming concerns is the melting of polar ice. Antarctica and Greenland are currently losing over 400 billion tons of ice annually, with this rate accelerating year by year. If all polar ice were to melt, sea levels could rise by up to 70 meters. Technological advancements will likely shape humanity's future as much as environmental changes, if not more. Over the next 1,000 years, we may progress from our current state to a Type 1 civilization on the Kardashev scale, meaning we could harness and utilize all the energy available on Earth. In addition to energy advancements, space exploration is likely to play a crucial role in humanity's development. By 3025, humans may have established permanent colonies on the Moon, Mars, or even asteroids, extracting resources and creating self-sustaining habitats. Technologies like faster-than-light travel or advanced propulsion systems could enable interstellar exploration, allowing us to search for habitable exoplanets or even make contact with extraterrestrial civilizations. Artificial intelligence is poised to become one of the most transformative forces in human history, with effects that could range from extraordinary benefits to significant risks. On the positive side, AI has the potential to solve complex global problems, such as developing cures for diseases, creating highly efficient renewable energy systems, and even predicting natural disasters. However, its rapid advancement also raises concerns about its impact on human life. One significant risk is the potential for AI to become so advanced that it surpasses human intelligence, a scenario known as artificial general intelligence (AGI). In this case, humans may lose control over AI systems, potentially leading to unintended consequences. As the challenges of climate change, overpopulation, and resource scarcity intensify, humanity may need to rethink the way we design and live in cities. In the next 1,000 years, futuristic cities could rise as engineering marvels tailored to the changing needs of the planet. Floating cities are one such vision, entire urban landscapes built on water to combat rising sea levels. These cities could use advanced buoyant platforms, harness renewable energy from the sun and waves, and include systems for sustainable food production like vertical farms and aquaponics. For instance, concepts like the Oceanic City, designed to house thousands of people, are already being developed, hinting at a future where humanity lives harmoniously with rising seas. Underground cities are another possibility, especially in regions facing extreme temperatures or environmental instability. Built deep beneath the surface, these cities could be shielded from natural disasters, harsh weather, and even radiation. These futuristic cities will likely integrate cutting-edge technology to enhance sustainability and quality of life. Smart systems powered by AI could monitor energy usage, waste management, and even the health of residents in real time, creating hyper-efficient and self-sustaining environments. Some predictions suggest that these cities could be entirely modular, allowing sections to be reconfigured or replaced as needs evolve. Whether floating above the ocean or hidden beneath the ground, such cities represent humanity's ability to adapt and thrive in even the most extreme conditions. In space, with one of the most significant dangers being a catastrophic asteroid impact. History has shown us the destructive potential of such events, like the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. Scientists estimate that a similar-sized asteroid could release energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. With the growing awareness of these risks, space colonization is no longer just a dream but a necessity for ensuring the survival of our species. Surviving on Mars might sound like science fiction, but it's becoming a real possibility. Scientists are exploring ways to build homes using Martian soil, which can be turned into bricks through compression and heat, eliminating the need to transport building materials from Earth. In 1,000 years we will see peoples living on Mars. You could see this video for more information. Looking ahead, one of the darkest possibilities for the future is World War III, while humanity has already witnessed the horrors of war. From the devastation of World War I and to the biological threats posed by pandemics like COVID-19, the scale of destruction in a global conflict today could be unprecedented. Now let's begin towards the predictions. Remember, these predictions are by scientists. In 1,000 years, global conflict might reach its breaking point, possibly with a third world war occurring in the next 300 years, forcing humanity to either unite for survival or risk extinction. In 1,000 years, money as we know it could disappear, replaced by a standardized global digital currency system, making trade instantaneous and transparent across the world. In 1,000 years, humanity may establish permanent settlements in space, with colonies on the Moon, Mars, and beyond, ensuring survival in case Earth becomes uninhabitable. In 1,000 years, humans might unlock the ability to manipulate time itself, not just observing the past but potentially traveling through it, fundamentally altering our understanding of existence and history. As we look toward the future, it's hard not to wonder, what kind of world will we leave behind? Will we be remembered as the generation that reached for the stars, or the one that failed to protect the planet we call home? The choices we make today will shape the universe of tomorrow. And while we may never know exactly what the next 1,000 years will hold, we can be certain that our actions today will influence generations to come. Take care, and remember, your likes and subscribes motivate. Goodbye.